and to man and a friend no fita
say the
design be any
the America want say who say asante memu ha no say obi appear na the appearance in white I am mostly or the good news never but nana prinkra ahofama no any nsem na o kan no a sharp contrast you wear white to us and tell us no more excuses.
White but any average.
What I say? What's a white too? Then you tell us, Charlie, no more excuses.
It's a redemption time.
To
let's redeem the image of Asante Kotoko.
And what deep couldn't be any Mukayana?
Ebia.
When say what taking the right decision and that's a free neck on no my best.
Ebia, you na no co. You na na if it's an old team no. It's a Jano Quaiman co. Inti yempe excuse bi
me say we younger say interpretation
I read some near come
mo bi vanquished say
I na Africa kwa no say na Africa say you na no compare me me na ma adwen say
na ye interpretation of the who here ne the message
because I mean Kotoko fans say problem ni coach no kan Zito ni problem no second Zito na problem ni dia say oni hobim the no more excuses.
Now, Rich.
Redemption time in here. Let's redeem the image of the club.
Now, the coaching situation is Coach Prince and Asuna. Nana Penka Kohon. And then a Coach Prince.
Coach Prince say on any team. Oh my ready pa Nyamia Duma Kosiada. Oh Baba Stadium no. Omuche Hartford.
Yeah, I think what I would say, we are ready. We're starting training today to face Hasselhoff. One thing I'll bring back to us, on the last game we played, we didn't have our way. Things didn't go well for us. We have to make amendments. And we're ready to work very hard this week so that we can close up the gap to get a win from Hasselhoff. When it comes to Hasselhoff and Kotoko, I don't count by what has happened before. It's the performance on the day, on the pitch, and how bad the other team wants it. That's what gives the results. So we're also starting to try and get ourselves ready for the game.
Okay, and Prince Ousu as is on the head to the end of the season, no, and ahead of the Kotoko House game, no, or say, Nyamino Nukeni Nansay Kotoko Nyaman Koyukra. Now, on the last Sunday against the Diana no example, be a who said good team no, and Yama and Koyi into on them run to no master training grounds, dear. Omufu say anko ya amana nse koto result emma no omo try so betimi a solve sa problem no we no mubu sanse na ohe game na koto betimi a hye hasana na ohwe two teams na I mean there be a koto na so wa form ona betimi a hye oso no ne de na dwenkyere aba Kotoko and has games no enya of former ekuta but dey na nkasa na ebobo game no wa obetake you chances wa game no be chese na person win no and I'll bet me as a game tea on an amount. I ready. I'm prepared very, very well to meet the house of Yamia Marcus Yada. Say,
more Man City, no. I am rivals.
Yeah.
Before that, more coaching changes. Now, with Michael Carrick buy.
Yeah.
Is it a similar situation? The only thing is that Prince Owusu was part of Karim Zito backroom staff, no. But it's an opportunity for him. And it's also a game in fact too much of form, but the intensity of the occasion, ultimate occasion, I get a success. Maybe that's when an apple is speaking the motivation and the baby of fat and the color of Natari in the free.
Right.
Say the boys will get some motivation. Sometimes breath of fresh air to me this idea in the bar. Okay, we are starting anew. You can go which match again than that's a folk? Oh, Kumasi.
And they be a to say a bianca na neko training grounds will be our fra koko.
Yeah.
Players in who na na ba we fra.
But we on fra koko because also he is
already we fra fita.
Say you beat me ashe. Maybe he
wants no cry.
He wants
to be
he wants to be positive. And I like the fact that Prince Owusu has an opportunity. Because it can be a very big opportunity for him for now to end the season. Because Karim Nionum, why we take you as number one. And reach big games no more. Everybody will talk about him in a good or bad way after the game. See a bomb match you 90 minutes. Say cool year because say coach you so me I say honestly beat me. Then after that, once the next day, the NBA question we say, can he be consistent? Yeah, and that's why I'm using the example of Carrick.
Okay.
Carrick, if you been a buy, the issue was a no, the no blue coat for Nangasani Kofan if Strasbourg buy, so he knows the ins and outs. And better see 5 games, still no loss. And it starts with a big game. Say Prince Owusu to me, it's going to be good for him.
You see, also the BIA Metaka say, when you study psychology, Obiana Koyofas will deal with pressure. Individual differences. Which you tell them way. Say in your passports conform. Na management fraying. Na omaka say oh, they want to find solutions to insure passports. Na omaka solution ni boom as a group. Me in China as Obia minimum psychology now say they are using the wrong approach. You will be out tiatian. Say I didn't know you are not doing it right. Rich obeko akwa ye. Opesa pressure no. Obu onso a obu ni jape ni wadum no.
Okunu kra.
And ontimi nye biem. Ohia ase onene kasa na wo chiche ne re na wo hye ni nkran, then the person will lift it. Now maybe I will say this for the first time on the show. Coach Prince Owusu, I have a personal relationship with him. For those who have omunim ye any day, Coach Prince Owusu was a university coach. That I know for US about for. Until he started his coaching credentials from coaching the University of Ghana team. Rich, he is who loves challenges. Who is an onye timid cry. Or challenges, or when the stakes are high and you throw him into the wall. And he means a coach in Kwa. You will want to prove, send if you can say it is an opportunity for him. You can say same for Hamza. Rich, Hamza is our big ambitions. Let me say in the last few years, Adia unlimited Hamza and the license and they were not doing the cost too for him to do it. So Hamza ko prampamuba no kutak license air. Rich, me assure Hamza na minimum will go in for a top job and to be his own man because he thinks was here the war and Kofasia enough to also own the journey. And it's a okasa 2 coaches in Iboma. Now, more opportunity say they should prove themselves. For me, at the technical team level, me no problem. Me only issue is say me nim Kotoko players individually here. And the Kotoko team was say doesn't even have a psychologist. And one way you may be approaching the Kotoko team as to how they should deal with pressure, but because you are not an expert, and now you get it wrong. This is the time. And if even it's on hiring basis, Kotoko within this space till the end of the season, go hire a sports psychologist for the team, not on permanent basis, but within this time, yeah. 1 month. Exactly. He will come around, study the players one by one, and will know how to approach Obia to get the best out of. Because my candidate say, Rich, I start with the mind. Your mind is everything you do. And see, any situation, you just have to talk about it and try and shape momentum and enthusiasm and see if they will come back. They are professionals who could have done Sergio Mano. Rich, and you may have to Kotoko. We are sure say at the end of half year they will take advantage of the situation. Because you are going to meet in a super clash and Obemuno. What has dealt with already? Tell me new life for you, Mona. They also went into that crisis mood. No, they've solved that already. I feel like Kotoko doing so. If you are house of folk, you need to take advantage. So how do you do it?
And from now, Sunday, now Kotoko Timi, and solve whatever be.
No, there will still be hangovers.
Mm.
Yes. adwene asem na meka no there will still be hangovers. Kotoko will even play House of Folk game, first 15 minutes, jittery, trying to find their feet. Rich, OTSCA, Mibusa say, what kind of Kotoko supporters? And I was expecting what Baba was supposed to be able to tell me. Ebeye supporters are Omoba. Ababe supported team no matter what. And I say supporters Omoba to add the pressure. Mama Diane ya number bomb 77 kwasiabo habubehu. You are you not going to get to that? In the first 15 minutes in the ground, you can't even predict the kind of supporter Kotoko Benya and will move fear against us. And after the 15 minutes, then when they know say no, and then Kranabaso will come one here, then they will start to support. So imagine, Mimi analyst Makabibia has scored in the first 15 minutes. Then scoreboard no, and Sati ye jubilant, yeah. Then the Kotoko supporters need to want to say, and then they see. Then they also turn against their own team. After both red side, rebel side, Kotoko team no pressure. What do you think will happen? But imagine you get into the game, first 50 minutes are better panai. And see, the dynamics are awesome. The dynamics in the awesome. Yakao Fia say House of Folk is one of the best away teams in the Premier League. Atapo Kubetna, or say House of Folk is one of the most tightest team to penetrate. Last time, Mekacho say Michelle has against 11 Wonders. That was the only game Masha has underrated opponent, and they considered a lot of chances. Continue the man in him. Say he has to play it tight. So often say, oh, this is a Kotoko team that is in crisis. Young go at them, he will give away a lot of chances. Said, oh yeah, against 11 Wonders. The difference will be, and they say 11 Wonders don't have killer instincts. Players will make my finisher off. Kotoko may have it in Abetamwa and no more Makano. Game with the dynamics in the Dawson. And see, if you never see Sunday here, Rich, your game here, pa. So Kotoko say, poor Chine, center line 50 cities, and a VIPF 100 cities.
Okay.
Until we are born in Israel.
That form.
Kuta 50, kuta 100. Ubet me about shake game nibi. Now, so we are Kotoko has fun there. You don't have an excuse not to be there. But Rich, the typical neutral football fan. Then it's one of the super class I also should be.
You saw them cause the match pa.
I also ba.
Hey, I'm more a game where 5. 5 p.m. I'm more for now.
Rich,
that game me miss that.
For neutrals, this is one of the Kotoko has games. You can't even predict who will win. Obi Nisrunchi Obi.
As a pet.
Yes. And see, a normal kitty and I do Obi Eseri and Obi Sumba. And when you get into a super class, I want some kind of mood. Numa the papa. Almost say Kotoko for Jimmy Yobi. But once I ask for so Yobi here. Obi and Jimmy met to know. Obi here to take game, no. Doing no money until say Sunday in the best. We have a game to watch.
Okay.
And I want to see how Kotoko players, technical team, will react to the Napinkas visit to Omo Adako. Sunday in the I want to know how did you do money is coming to take advantage of the Kotoko situation on Sunday. Until Sunday there, and yes, I'm going to say in the studios, we will have one Kotoko player, then one of our communications. It's your china. So player no moment maybe how he is dealing with the pressure on one casa personally. How would they know me Kotoko video be a omu egu sa ice bath.
Bath no.
Me hu lodamo ho me hu auchi na me busa say na auchi oda so Kotoko.
Auchi da so.
Oda so ho no den so nim. No den so.
So
and I did see Rich your game here Sunday.
Okay.
For me, send him a big opportunity for Coach Prince. Say if he takes it, boom. And I think the only difference in is like Ayala said, or Bob Abara Sports Stadium, and there's going to be more pressure. ABNK away from home. What is there to
lose? I can't watch now.
But I mean, still, I think that there's something in the Onya draw cry he has won the day.
But you also only said 2 teams on trophy new.
na say Kotoko ne has there.
Omuntimi win.
Because league no.
And omu camp ni.
Ana unfortunately for them, mienu na so no. MTN Cup o mafi.
Tira make so omuntimi
league ni so a mienu na so na go enti.
Nti omu camp ni.
Wo hye nenya bragging right.
It means that Kotoko has will delay another Africa for another year.
And you can't even say for sure say next year omboko.
Jumane Dion.
Munasi,
you know, his job is cut out for him.
Now, with all the courage, often the department by department, one of a strong team.
Goalkeepers need a omuntai.
For me, I think Kotoko has a strong team. Goalkeepers, Mo Kamara, any Benjamin.
Mo Kamara solid. Benjamin Asare solid.
And then Kaka Krabin come to Tiwi. Say, will anybody will be a better surprise if Solomon Abashibe the mass or Sunday? Will you be surprised?
But I was of solid deputies.
Yes.
Agbeshini,
but also Kotoko Kadi. You can be 100% sure Kamara
that can change. Yeah.
But
me, Busase, will you be surprised? Yes, if on Sunday, because
and yen name Kotoko ne has no.
Benjamin,
we grab it to a catcher say. Ebi akoto for no we dey me na make kan ebi akoto for no grade bia for you know asai na
but it is easy to make that point because Rich Benjamin Asai ni number 1 na wo ye ni bibia no o hia Kotoko ntimi omo
okay
o hia Kotoko ntimi omo
tie ma agbesi mo nkoda
apart from the top 4 which top 4 the ceremonial competition on winning in any competitive game against Kotoko da it could Kobe Jones who could easily make a case. Say he is our number 1 or a national team goalkeeper, but in the match against Kotoko has only lack. They could easily make that case. They can easily make that
case. First question of department by department, team is solid in Kotoko. Yeah, if you are looking at it from
department
players alone, Kotoko has a better team than Hearts
overall.
Yeah, overall. Okay. Because goalkeepers maybe I'll tie them. Goalkeepers defending area, I think Kotoko are top. Yes, Hearts have good defenders as well.
No, but Hearts a considered least in the league than Kotoko.
About Ayala maybe because of how the whole team defends. Based on
individual. Okay. So if you're saying SCB company as against
Nyame aduma build up
yes but yes I disagree kakra
ebedin komo